Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something pretty unique. This is the 2011 Saab 9.5 Turbo X, or Turbo 4. This was the last year of Saab. This was one of their last cars they ever made. And we took one in on trade. So I drove it home for the night. Even though it has 247,000 miles, it still drives very, very well. Memory seats. I mean, I'm gonna take a walk outside. It's just misting, so I didn't want to be out there forever. So let me go take a quick look around outside. You can see the thing is in, for the age, other than a headlight out, which is probably why it was kind of at night. You know, some rock chips, whatever. This thing's in pretty darn good shape. What's this? Oh, is that the factory screwdriver, compressor? Yep, that's the factory air kit. Still in its original bubble wrap. Let's go ahead inside again. So the thing with Saab is it's all about quirks, features. Haha, Doug DeMiro. Look at these vents. The intricate details of that. Doesn't have to be that complex, but it is. Look at that. That is straight out of a fighter jet. And you have night panel, where when you're driving at night, everything goes dark except for your speedometer, which when I drove this home last night is pretty darn cool. I mean, look at the vents are just the coolest thing. It's so gimmicky, but it's so cool. Panoramic roof, heated seats, of course memory seats. Obviously, oh, even that says Saab, that's pretty cool. Obviously this isn't going to be the best representation of what this was like to drive new. It's got, for all intents and purposes, 250,000 miles on it. And for a GM product, that's pretty impressive that it stood up this well. The fact where I can drive it home and feel relatively comfortable. TPMS light, winter set of tires on this car. The owner had 2 sets of rims. And unlike the other 9.5 we took in on trade, this turbo works. Yeah, this is a car that everybody would look at it and say, you're reviewing a 250,000 mile GM product. Yep, I am. Because this might be the last chance to drive a clean-ish one of these. And it actually puts the power down. I'm going to turn on the fog lights, seeing how I have half the headlights. For some weird reason, I love this steering wheel. I don't know why, but just looking down and seeing Saab is so cool. try to think about this car's history, well, also not thinking about this car's history, or future, I should say, because at this point, somebody might buy this to just rack up miles on it and keep it going, and I really hope that's the case. We're gonna be sending this to our auction. I might take a picture of the VIN and keep tabs on this car, just because I want to see where this thing goes. But on the flip side, this may become a parts car, because a lot of these parts you can't find, especially interior parts in this shape. Look at how nice all this stuff is. I mean, the steering wheel's got minimal wear for 250,000 miles. All the gauges work. The LCD screen's still in great shape. All the buttons and dials have minimal wear. This is a car. The thing runs great. And I really hope somebody buys this to continue to drive it. Heck, I might even buy this thing just to drive it and have it as a winter car. Whoa. But I know the last Saab ever made was, I think, a 2014 9.3, which is weird because everything I did for research said this was the last Saab ever made, was the 2011 9.5. So I have to do a little bit of history research and figure out why there was a 3 model year gap. But even Doug DeMiro said the 2011 9.5 was the last Saab. It's a shame. And the whole fiasco between the economic crash of 2009, 2008, GM killed off its 2 most fun brands, Pontiac and Saab. Well, they even killed off Saturn too. Saturn was killed off. I forgot about Saturn. Come on, guys. Those were the big quirky cars. And unfortunately now they're gone. And I really hope I need to review a Saturn at some point. Somebody find me a Saturn Sky. I need to drive one of those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.